Shenzhen Finicare Company Limited persistently focus on designing, developing, manufacturing, and sales of infrared thermometer. Finicare brings innovative concepts and creative energy to the thermometer industry and builds upon a professional enterprise with new and innovative concepts. Finicare factory is located in Shenzhen, China, which covers a factory size of 5,000 square meters with over 265 employees. Our production capacity has reached 600,000 pieces per month. Our main products are infrared thermometer, non-contact thermometer, oximeter, blood pressure monitor, nebulizer, and body fat scale. The products are smart design, high accuracy, quick 1-second reading, and truly market-oriented. After carrying out ISO system and working on ERP system, we have formed a complete set of management system from research, production to final test and qualified shipment. With the development, our products have gradually passed TUV, CE, FDA, ISO, FSC, FCC, ROS, BSCI certifications, quality test by China Technical Supervision Departments. Finicare has promoted a variety of high-quality and environmentally friendly products to the global markets. These achievements have attributed to many joint ventures by hundreds of customers come from different countries and areas such as United States, Europe, South America, Australia, South Africa, India, and China. As an innovator in infrared thermometer industry, Finicare has gained rich experience in developing, manufacturing, sales, and after-sales service of thermometer. Finicare also provide the OEM and ODM service, sample time 7 days.